house looks at night? Entrance. 40 years ago, I was etching glass to express the Capiz. Landscape. Next. A living room where we could express carved anahaw leaves. Next. A chandelier where I could express the black pen essential. I can quote, and she says, what a lovely chandelier. It is not Italian, it is not French, it is not American, it is not Spanish, it must be Filipino. So I told her I will always quote you. And I have a balconaje. And a balconaje is typical of a bahay kubo. A kubo itself, meron silang outdoor. So we could express a bangko all around the house. Expressing family, kapamilya. Pictures I've always reserved and kept them because they were all memories from different occasions. Culidesma, Pelita Morales, I know, but at any rate, at that time when we finished the house, it was very popular. Next. A kitchen with cabinets done out of bamboo. And we finished all the cabinets in bamboo. 40 years after, I can still tour you the house and you will see the same thing. And I've never changed them. You know what that is, no? Banggirahan. Banggera is done out of kawayan. Para may pinggan, mga baso, huhugasan sa gripo, tapos isasampay naman dyan, papatong dyan. A bahay kubo with my apo, my first apo. Today I have 7. Next. That's the banggera. This is our own banggerahan, done out of stainless steel. So technology, the bamboo, the playroom is a jeepney. And the playroom was designed, I will follow the line, kalahati lang ang jeep nandyan. My first daughter had a feminine room done out of Barong Tagalog, and everything was using native materials. Meron banig, meron kawayan. The dressing room of my daughter on Capiz. My 2 boys, now architects, and now joining my firm, 3 of my children working. This is the Igorot room, and I started by buying an Igorot carving. And my master's bedroom is facing a fish pond, where I raise tilapia and hito. Again, summer, we can dine in the area, and there are my children. All of these are documentations of the father. When we finish, that was their Boracay. They had their own swimming pool, buhangin, white sand around it. Yung kubo nila. Ito yung German, sinasabi ko, parang kugon. House. And he says, Bobby. Well, that's the fish pan where I had the tilapia. Tatlong anak ko, ayan. Can you imagine? Golden edible landscaping, house, plantings around.
Lawn? Diyos ko, lawn lang yun.
Medicinal planting, vegetable planting,